I hope you're all doing okay. My name is Anna and I like sharing useful information on various topics, and I'm currently a stay-at-home mom, so you may see some videos of me cleaning and doing a lot of home improvement and the do-it-yourself DIY. So if you're new to my channel, I thank you for watching my video, and please click on that subscribe button. I appreciate all the support. My returning viewers, hi. So today I want to share with you on how I used someone on Fiverr to help me create the downloadable digital products for my Etsy shop. So I was thinking, like, I need something to be able to make passive income over and over again. As a stay-at-home mom, it gets like a little boring sometimes, so making that extra income goes so far. So I went over to the Fiverr website and started looking for someone to help me with this project. So as I was searching for Etsy digital products, and there was like a bunch of results came up. There was like an option to choose who you want to see, but the pro service was a bit expensive for me. So if you can afford it, it's fine, but for me, because I just wanted to start to see how it goes, that's why I went for the cheaper version. And so I decided to use someone who was a bit cheaper and just for a starter. And luckily I was able to find this lady who had quite great reviews, and she was a Fiverr choice. So she was like a Fiverr, there was like something like says Fiverr choice. I looked at all the necessary information that was on a profile that I needed, like what they offer in terms of their package, and then decided to message her. So I was like, I wish to have my digital products on my Etsy shop. If she could help me with this, and she was online at that time, so she did reply very quickly. So you need what I want to say is that you need to ask a lot of necessary question or necessary information, and yeah, that's it. Sorry, I was typing. I was very slow in typing when I was doing the as you can see, I did get a reply from her, and she sent me an offer as I needed to pay another $20 for the mock-up. So altogether it was like $30 for 5 designs. She made the designs the next day, I believe. And another thing, you need to give her the logins for your shop. So if you have like a trusty issues, I do not think, and I'm not gonna recommend to use this service. So I don't think this is a good way for you to go if you've got trust issues. So she made me the designs the next day, and I didn't like one of the designs as it required me to print and send the customer, to send the printout to the customer. But she was very understanding and changed the product to another design, which is like an instant downloadable product. Now I have 5 digital products in my shop, and I've got some few people checking out the products, the potential buyers, but I have not made any sales yet, but I believe I will soon. So it's just the waiting game. And I'll be using this service maybe with another person. Nothing wrong with the first one. It is just experimenting with different people. So if this is for you, if you're looking for something to make passive income online and you don't know how to go about it, you can go to Fiverr. If you've got like an idea when I do the digital products and you don't know how to do it, I know there's like there's some platform like Canva where you can create one, but if you don't have like the basic knowledge or how to go about to put all the files in there listing the digital product, because I think it's gonna be different how you list the physical product. So if you're not comfortable with that, you can use the Fiverr. Use the Fiverr website. There are some people there who are willing to help you for a fraction of money. So it's up to you. If you've got like an idea on what you want, you can present your idea and they will produce what you want to do. That's all for today's video. And if you're like me and wish to sell digital products online but don't know how to start or feel like it's too complicated to learn everything from scratch, you can always use people for on Fiverr to help you start up to be able to make that passive income. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope you all have a lovely day, and it's goodbye for now.